Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit or debit card on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open your Facebook account in Facebook app. Once you open that, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you can see the third option, adds payment, or the fourth option is Facebook Pay. You simply need to click on the fourth option, Facebook Pay, and you are on this screen, and then you need to click on add payment method. Once you click on that add payment method, you simply have two options, credit or debit card or PayPal. So I'm going to add credit or debit card. Click on that option. So this screen might appear black due to the confidential data. So once you click on your card number, here you have different options. First is card number. You simply need to put your card number here, month and expiry year, then CVV code, and then select your country. And on the right top you will find the option of save. Once you click on that save, your card will be added. So this is the process by which you can add credit or debit card on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.